Hello, CS411 course staff. This is Team 48404, team name not found, and this is our database project for a Track 1 application. Our application is a video game database with the main goal of providing users with an easy and quick way of accessing video game information from both a website interface and from an API. To start out, we should look at to enter the website, you have to register a user first. So let's just register a user. Alright, just some test information. There you go. And once you've registered, you can log in. Once you log in, you get to the search page. Here you can do basic searches. The generic search that we have searches for game names, developer names, and console names to bring you games that match any of those requirements. So, for example, if we just type in Anno, we'll get all of the Anno series of games listed in a row. If you click on one of these games, you get to the game's information page. This page shows you all the information that our database currently stores about this game, including the name, rating, mode, engine, genre, gameplay, as you can see. There are a lot of blanks in our database for some of these values. That is due to Wikipedia being very interesting to parse, and for future updates we would wish to have more data presented. The second type of search you can do is you can search for platforms by developer. So if you click on the platforms by developer button and then type in something like Ubisoft. So Ubisoft makes games, and these are all of the platforms that Ubisoft makes games for. This would be useful for people wanting to know, like for CS students wanting to know who to apply to if they wanted to work with a specific console. Search is done. We should go to the recommend game function. This is our recommend game function. The first entry we'll get back from our recommendations is generated using k-means clustering to get a sample of what we think the user will like, and then the rest are based on the input data here, such as genre, game, and console. So we could do genre that. Spyro, console, Xbox 360, recommendations. And there we go. The not enough data comes from the fact that this is a new user and they've only completed 2 searches, so there's not quite enough data to complete a full k-means clustering on them, and the 3 others past that are the recommendations we pick due to their inputs. This is the user's profile. From here you can add a game. From add a game you can fill out all of these different forms just like all the other games we have in the database. So you can have your game show up, and we hit add game. When you go back to your profile, you have a list of all the games that you have currently added. You can click on them to go to the game detail page. And then here you can also update the game. So say you wanted to update the game, you found more information about it. So you wanted to update the rating so that the rating was like 5 stars, let's say. Scroll to the bottom, update the game, go to your profile, and rating is updated. Also, if you do not wish to have a game anymore, you can simply hit delete game, and it is deleted from the database as well as your account. And that's about it. That's our functionality for the website. Aside from that, you can log out at the end, and the session is over, and you have to log in again. Thanks. Bye.